Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 13th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku number 8184, I believe, yes. And usually the 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. Well, this one has not 25 but 31 printed digits. That's a lot. 6 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars puzzle. It should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is a 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. So let's get started. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 5. We have 7 and a 5 in this column, so no 7 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 3 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. The only place level 1 should be there. Need a 6 here. I need a 6 there, okay. Then 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, no, only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so the first row, no, only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Alright, need a 4 here. Then 5. Then let me see. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 7 here. Come on. Need a 2 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this third row. No 2 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 3 should be there. Here we have a 2 and 8. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2 and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Need a 3 here. I need a 2 here. Alright. And now, need a 9 here. And I need, come on. Need a, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And I need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between second column the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 here. Now. 2. Need a 2 here. Well. Come on, come on, come on. Well, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. Need a 5. Need a 5. I need a 2 here. 2, 5. And I need... Yeah, these 3 missing numbers. Well, we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left, 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. We have 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left, 5 should be here or there. Let me mark those 3 boxes. And we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So 2, 6, 5. That means those 2 missing numbers should be 8 and a 9. Here also 8 and a 9. Yeah, let me mark those. 8 and 9. Here also 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8 and a 9. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes in there. And 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. Need a 4 here. Well, in this column we need a 4. The last column. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this big square. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. There's only place left for the 4. In the last column should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 5. Interesting. 2 and a 5. 2, 5 and 8 is missing. Need an 8 here. Well, 6, 5 and 8. 6, 5 and 8. 8, 4 and 7. Here's 7 here. 4, 8 and 7. 4, 8. Come on, come on, come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Yep, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 goes there. The 2 in the third row, the 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Do we have all the 9s? Yep, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. 2, 2, 2. How about the 2? Nope. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column, only place level 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 in the last column should be there. and all the 2s are used. I can see. This is for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left for number 6 and the 5. Here also 6 and the 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Yeah, 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Well, 6 or 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be 6. 1 box left in this column for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes in there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For number 7 is missing. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars with 31 printed digits. Publisher. Wrong indication. We want more heavier. Yeah. Hard puzzles. Yeah, we need hard puzzles. These puzzles are too easy to solve. Anyway, I like this one. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.